Moram sabke janai dia ase aro etia moi gana kuro thaka tu isor tu sab para bi sapa ase kwala gana kurumon ase gana huna manu sob isor pra ashirwad dibo. Thousand generation falling down in worship to sing the song for ages to the Lamb, and all who've gone before us and all who will believe will sing the song of ages to the Lamb. Your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all, and the angel cries, holy, all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. If you've been forgiven, if you've been redeemed, sing the song forever to the Lamb. If you walk in freedom, if you bear His name, sing the song forever to the Lamb. Sing the song forever and amen, and the angels cry, holy, all creation cry, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Your people sing, holy to the King of Kings, holy, you will always reign, holy, holy forever. Your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all. Your name is the highest.